machiegni kendo. Duol mochung' ne yiero kod keyo pacho ka IEBC oteyo sei mar winjruok e tiyo kanyakla kod riwruok mar UNDP e ikruok ne yiero maduong' mabiro ma higa 2027. Chenro ni mar omenda maromo dola milion 13.3 ma piny Amerika, omenda maromo bilion 1.7 ma pacho ka geto bero chenro mag IEBC mondo ta yiero ma huyanga kendo mar adier. Sei ma kamano kete kogno e kar log tich maduong' mar IEBC e boma ma Nairobi.
IEBC alone cannot deliver. IEBC requires the support of all institutions of government, requires the support of the media, requires the support of the civil society, requires the support of the international community.
As we sign this program document today, let us remember that elections are not only about the conduct of voting. They are about strengthening institutions, building trust, safeguarding peace, and renewing the bond between citizen and the state. Kenya already possesses the foundations for success. Our collective task is to harness those strengths and ensure that in 2027 election become not only a credible electoral process, but a powerful demonstration of democratic maturity, inclusion, and national unity.